Kernel XPS Converter is a convenient tool that easily converts XPS and OXPS files into multiple document formats. With simple functioning and easy interface, this tool caters for both beginners and experienced. The tool helps in single and batch conversions with quick processing and high accuracy. It even allows to preview files before the conversion process to verify data and achieve successful output. Here is the step-by-step XPS file conversion. Launch the Kernel XPS Viewer. As the tool starts, you will see a format page where you can add the XPS files with pre-selected XPS and OXPS formats. You can also choose other available formats given on your screen. Also, you can opt to select all. After that, if you want to add the specific files, click Browse under Choose File Drive or Folder. Then, choose the preferred XPS files and click on Select. Similarly, if you want to add XPS files from folder, click on Browse under Choose Files from PC. Choose the folder with XPS or OXPS files from your PC and click on Select. Below, you can see the list of selected files. Here, you can check individual files or select all for batch processing. Click on Add Files to load them into the tool. All the selected files are added to the tool listed in the left pane. After that, you can also add more files if you want to. Click on Add Document File and follow the same process. If you want to remove any specific file, check the file, click on the Remove Check Document File option, and then confirm the process. Additionally, the tool provides you with the option to remove all the files at once. To do so, click the Remove All Document Files option and confirm the action. Before conversion, you can view and verify any specific XPS file. So, check the file that you want to validate and click on the View option. Please wait until your XPS file is loading and then view all its contents in original quality. To convert the files, select single or multiple XPS documents from the files you have added in the tool. Then, click on the Convert option. On the conversion page, assign a desired location to save the converted file into your system. Then, choose the preferred output format from the drop-down and click Convert. Wait for the conversion process to complete. The tool will notify you when the files are successfully saved to the selected destination. And that's how easily Kernel XPS Converter transforms your documents while preserving their original quality. Thank you for watching. To know more about the software, visit the given link in the description. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.